he's an evil man, but what is an evil man? Why is it that he's evil? And that's what I find fascinating about doing these characters, is not so much just learning to be evil, but finding out their history, finding out something in the story or the psychology that you can, in a way, blame somebody else for being evil yourself. So in terms of Scarpia, I've often thought that it's he's got a battle with God. It's all about his relationship with God, and that it is God who's made him evil, and he can't stop being an evil person, but he really wants to be a nice person underneath, I think, which is why he falls for Tosca. I often thought that my aim as Scarpia is to try and get somebody to feel sorry for me, so that's what I'm going for anyway. She's a very sparky woman. I mean, there's an enormous amount of life in her. She's very outgoing, she's very tempestuous, she's incredibly jealous, which I think I think Scarpia finds very appealing. And she's somebody who sort of flies off the handle at any given moment, really, if things don't go her way. But also enormously full of passion and strength and commitment, and hugely religious. The orchestrations are fantastic, I have to say, and it's beautiful to sing. I mean, actually, in Tosca, Scarpia doesn't really get an aria. The aria, as usual, goes to the tenor and the soprano. In fact, the tenor gets two. There's a lot of stuff on TV and sort of films now, sort of sex, drugs and rock and roll and all this sort of stuff, and I guess you could say that Tosca's got all of that rolled into one and some, really, because there are touching moments, there are violent moments, there are very weird moments, there are arresting moments when you sort of hold your breath as if to say, what's going to happen next? Which is definitely the menu for a great evening's entertainment, I think. And it's a bit like 24, I think. You know, when you get to the end of one of those episodes and Jack Bauer's about to do something, you sort of think, oh no. And I think that Tosca's got those sort of moments when it really does make you hold your breath, and other moments when it's just sort of basically pouring its heart all over you, and that makes you lose your breath as well, because how beautiful it is. And it's very sad, I think, as well. It's a really sad piece. So I think it's sort of got everything, really. And I love it.